right, next up we've got Ateez and Jong Kook. I have no idea what the name of the song is.
Me either. It looks summery.
Ooh.
Oh. This is what they must have gone to Jeju for.
Oh my god, this song is so good. What? That saxophone is hidden.
Yeah. Cute. Oh my god, the dancing is so cute. I love them. I forgot how much I love seeing them all perform together.
I love city pop sounding stuff, so this is really good.
They're just so fun to watch.
True.
When they perform, they're just so fun.
Yeah, they have a pretty electric stage presence.
Yeah.
Is that our boy back?
He is back, but that's I think that's Hong Jun.
Oh
no, there goes Kiki. Oh,
yeah.
I think SoundCloud is joining.
Oh man, this would be a banger anime theme.
It was.
But like for like something kind of like not, I don't know, something with like a romantic subplot. But like, in the 80s.
Oh my god. Him dancing with them is so cute.
I like the way they TikTok dance better than... Yeah, I know, it's a little much. Speaking of forced internet promotion.
They even put their real TikTok name.
Well, they can't because they can't... I think TikTok's like thing is like copyrighted. So they have to do something like generic.
Oh, I thought it was their real name. Oh. The dancing is something we could do too.
I know.
We could do that.
We could do that. Yeah, I'm gonna work on my twice dance tomorrow. That's my plan for the day. So
nice. We're waiting on it.
That can be our next dance.
She would have been happy if we just gave her this choreo. She would have been like,
I've wanted to learn this one for a little bit, so we're good. I just gotta practice. Ooh, key change.
oh my god, I can do this dance. Yeah, literally. Okay, see, that part might be too much for me. Or that like, jump one.
That's true. Ateez do like to jump, though.
Yeah, they do be jumping. They do be jumping.
Jumping.